Hi, this is Rick from Rick's Daily Tips Tech blog. If you have a Windows PC with a hard drive installed instead of a solid state drive or SSD, you might have noticed that the hard drive shuts down after the machine has been sitting idle for a few minutes. This can cause a delay after you press a key on the keyboard or move the mouse to wake up the hard drive. The hard drive has to spin back up to its normal operating speed. Hard disk auto shutdown is a power-saving feature of Windows, and it's there for obvious reasons. However, if you find this delay irritating, Windows has a setting that will force the hard drive to stay powered up and spinning until the PC either goes to sleep, is placed into hibernate mode, or is simply powered off. I've always totally disabled hard drive auto shutdown on my Windows machines, and you can do the same on yours if you so choose to do so. First, click the Start button. Now type the words Edit Power Plan into the search box. Now click on Edit Power Plan. Click the Change Advanced Power Settings link. Now, when you get to this screen, if you see a plus sign right here for hard disk, click the plus sign. Now you're going to change this Turn Off Hard Disk after so many minutes setting. Just click it and change it to Never. Click Apply, click OK, go ahead and close out the settings box. That's all there is to it. Your computer's hard drive should now keep whizzing along until the machine either goes to sleep, is placed into hibernate mode, or is simply powered down. If you found this tip useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks a bunch.